Today, I'm going to share with you all few things that you can also present to your family, friends, which is going to be so much fun. And then everybody is going to say you, wow, you are a great chef, right? So shall we start, babies? Let's do it together then. Have you all got a plate and a bread? I asked you to get a glass that's with a round rim. So here is my glass. What I'm going to do it in the center of the bread. I'm just going to place my glass in the center like this. And I'm going to press it hard. And here I got my circle. Okay, so we all have reached till here. Okay, now the next step is we will make its face. So for that, I'm going to take two circle carrots. You all have two circle carrots or two cucumbers, whatever circle thing you have got. So now we are going to place that in between the round circle. We're going to place it inside the circle. Now, everybody, we have two eyes. What's next? What is this? Ears. So let's make the ears. Come on, let's do it together. You can get two semicircles cucumber. So here is my semicircle cucumbers. Have you got semicircle cucumbers or carrots, whatever you had? Have you got that? Good. We're going to place it like this. The next step is, I hope we all got chanas, olives, or any black thing. Did we get two pieces of it? Just see it balances. My carrot was not balanced, so I just flipped my carrot to make it stable. So just see if it's balancing well. Now, the next step is, do we all love smiles? Okay, let's see. But before that, we are missing on something. What about these? Our hairs. So the face is missing on the hairs. So did Mama Papa gave you some shredded carrot or some vegetables? Okay, let's do it. Let me show you how do we place it. So we are going to place it like this. Let's make the nose together. So I had asked for 3 pieces, either chana, either olives. So my third piece of chana, that will be my little nose for the giant. See, I've done it, my placement. Can you see this? And last but not the least, we are going to make a nice smile. How about it? Who is ready for it? Is everyone ready for it? Let's put, the monsters are always not the ugly one. The monsters are cute ones also. So let's all make together a nice smile for our big, huge monster. Oh God, let's see this. Let's see this. Let's do it together. Did we all do till here? So the next one is, I have a whole slice of bread. Okay, are we all ready? Okay, perfect. So we will take a knife. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut from the middle And we're going to cut like a small piece of it in a rectangular shape, and we're going to pull that out. Just like the way I'm pulling it out. I pull that out. Okay. Now I'm going to cut this off. I'm going to cut this off and put it aside. And I'm going to cut this from the side too. And the next thing I will do is cut the side of this side. From one side, I will cut the side. And from there, I will not cut the whole top layer of the bread. I'll just cut that a little bit so that it gives me the shape of an engine. Can you all see this, babies? Are we ready till here? If you have any problem, anything, please write on the chat box. The next thing, I had asked you to get 3 circular, full-size circle, cucumber, bananas, whatever you had available in the house. Now, place it like this, 1, 2, and the third one. And then I'm going to use this cheese slice. You know how much cheese I love. I really love cheese a lot. And I hope you all kiddos must be loving it too. Right, kiddos? So what we're going to do is we're going to break it like a little bit of it and we are going to place it here. Okay, now for our vessel, I am going to put it here. That becomes my engine. And if you are a cheese lover, you know what you can do is right under the cucumbers, you can put more cheese and make it more yummy. And you know what, kids? You can use some ketchup. I can show you how. And then you eat it that way. See, this time I'm just going to make it more healthy. So I'm just going to put my cheese here. So I just, mommies must be liking it. The babies eat the cheese, the cucumber and everything. So I'm just going to place more of cheese. And I'm going to put all the 3 cucumbers here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a nice train of mine to be looking at more colorful. So I'm going to put a drop of ketchup on each cucumber. 1, 2, and the 3. Wow! My engine really looks nice and colorful. Can you see this? You can enjoy your train. I'm sure now next time all the kiddos are going to have healthy and yummy breakfast and it's going to be very creative. And you know what? You can show it to your friends when they are with you, your relatives, your cousins, everyone. They're going to be so excited and they'll be like, oh, you can teach me. Oh, I love that, new creation. You just added the carrots in that and now you're topping it with the ketchup on that. Thank you, babies. Now you can all sit back and relax. Now it's not about cooking, but it's a fun science experiment that I can show you all. And then you can try it and you can show it to your friends, family, your parents, and ask them, have you ever experienced it? Something new? Are you all going to try it? Yes? Okay, you can sit back, enjoy your sandwiches. Till then, I will show you a very fun experiment. Let's see. I have a glass filled with water. Okay, this is a see-through glass. Okay, this is a see-through glass. And I have a paper, a rectangular paper with 2 different colors. One is green and one is pink. The name of this experiment is magical opposite colors. So you know what? You can see green color here and pink color here, right? But when I will show you in front of the glass, you know what? You will see the pink color on my right side and the green color on my left side. And I will tell you why that happened. Okay, let's see this. This is something fun. And you can try it with your friends too the next when they come to your house. Can you see that? Can you see that? The green color is here and the pink color is here. You know, this is happening because reflection is the bending of light. That is why we can see the opposite colors. Can you all see opposite colors? Can you all show me thumbs up, please? Wow. I think we are done for the day. So I'll see you all next time.